Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dwi Santonan, and I am a first semester student at UBSI Karawang, majoring in information system. This information contains my English achievement, which focus on my opinion of Indonesia new President Prabowo Subianto. Mr. Prabowo Subianto is the 8th President Indonesia, and he was a distinguished graduate of the Indonesia Military Academy, AKMIL, in 1970. After leaving the military, he ventured into business, establishing several companies in Indonesia. He began his political journey as an advisor to the Golkar Party before founding to the Gerindra in 2008. His four presidential candidate in 2009, then 2040, 2080, and finally in 2024 demonstrate his unwavering, dedicated, culminating in the trust of Indonesia people to lead the nation. 100 of government, President Prabowo Subianto with red and white cabinet is driven by four main factors aimed at advancing Indonesia. The first, welfare and nutrition program. This program has been a major focus and has been implemented since day one. One of the most talked about program currently is the MBG. Its primary goal is to create Indonesia future golden generation. The second, improving the people's economic welfare. Critically, is a maintain fuel price stability. As we know, an increase the energy sector, particularly fuel, has a significant ripple effect across all commodities, directly impacting the Indonesia population. Third, healthy and education sector. This program is built upon three fundamental pillars: free health checkup, hospital construction and improvement, and school renovation. While significant progress has been made in the free checkup, research 50 million people across in 38 provinces through 1,000 community health centers and 1,025 million schools by the end of October. The renovation program has yet to be fully implemented. The social media data indicated that 3,800 schools and 1,040 madrasah are targeted for the renovation, with the program officially inaugurated of a National Education Day in 2025. The fourth, sectoral and the trade policy. The government main objective in this sector is to secure the domestic market and stimulate rapid growth in domestic industry by expanding export market to achieve a trade surplus. Equally important is the establishment of food bank from the village to the national level to ensure productivity and full self-sufficiency. To achieve all of that, President Prabowo has of course adopted three major strategies to bring about faster and better change in Indonesia, with the collaboration of several ministers as the main key to accelerating the country development and economy. First, Rahmat Pambudi, Minister of National Development Planning, and Purbaya Yudi Sadewa, Minister of Finance. Mr. Purbaya distinguished approach has generated national and international attention, shedding light on aspects of government policy. He operates with professional, leveraging his academic background and expressed in the Indonesia Deposit Insurance Corporate, or LPS. His impactful influence, often referred to as the Purbaya effect, highlight his invaluable contribution. Second, Safri Samsudin, Minister of Defense, and Teddy Indra Wijaya, Cabinet Secretary. President Prabowo Decision to combine leaders from two different generations demonstrates his commitment to achieve balance and continuity. This approach fosters diverse perspectives, enhance collaborative dynamic, and lead to more informed decision making. Effectively, bridging the generation gap and ensuring stability and adapting in addressing future challenges and opportunity. Third, ST Burhanuddin, Eternal January, and son with Novel Baswedan, KPK. The news is still fresh from the handover of confiscated state funds from various corruption cases in Indonesia during President Prabowo administration. 13.2 trillion in confiscated fund was handed over to the Minister of Finance, Mr. Purbaya, from Attorney General Office. This is a series of corruption cases the corrupt official has been enjoying with ease. However, with President Prabowo breakthrough, he has demonstrated his seriousness in eradicating all corruptors who have been protected by various interests. He even stated in an interview that the world established special prison for corruption to them there. Another high anticipated even by the Indonesia people is the ratification of the asset confiscation law. This process is significant that a corruption who was frustrated by all the move by President Prabowo and his red and white cabinet. In closing, I, as an Indonesian citizen, can feel and see Indonesia become a purpose nation with an intelligent society and equitable access to health. The impact may be not felt yet, but at least the future of Indonesia children, the next generation, will no longer be mere spectator to be guarded in the near our country. Finally, as a student at UBSA Karawang, I will give my best effort and endeavors to support the good and positive policies of the Indonesia government by consistently improving education and welfare, starting for small things, for my surrounding, from now, and of course from myself. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dwi Santonan. I will presentation about my English achievement. Okay, my theme is about the simple present tense. Okay, what is the simple present tense? The simple present tense is a form of tense that is used to explain events that occur regularly, routinely, or are usually done in the present. What is that? Okay. They have three structures about present simple tense. The structure, they have three: the positive, negative, and question. Example, for the positive, I, you, we, they, plus verb, or he, she, it, plus verb. The negative, I, you, we, they, plus do not, plus verb, or he, she, it, plus does not, plus verb. The third question, do, plus I, you, we, they, plus verb. It's easy? Okay, we can for the next. The sample, the positive or negative of the question and negative question, we can see by the sample on this presentation. Example, I love comic. I do not love comic. The question, do I love comics? Or negative question, do not I love comics? Sample 1. The sample 2, if use you love comics, you do not love comics. The question, Do you love comics? Or negative question. Do not you love comics? Okay. You see, guys? Okay. The third, we can use the he. He loves comics. He does not love comics. The question, does he love comics? The negative question, does not he love comics? Okay. It take easy. Okay, we can continue and you can see all of this presentation. Okay, for the next, we can the conversation between Anya and Ben. Anya, hi Ben, do you work every day? Hi Anya, yes, I do. I live close to the office. It takes me about 20 minutes. Anya, oh, that's nice. Does your wife work near here too? Ben, no, she does not. She works in the city center. She usually take the bus. Anya, I see. Do you two eat dinner together in the evening? Ben, yes, we usually do. We often cook together. I make the main course and she prepare the salad. Anya, the sound lovely. What do you usually to do after dinner? Ben, we often watch TV or sometimes I read book then to bed around 10 p.m. Okay, let me see guys for the conversation between Anya and Ben. One focus about this conversation. Okay, okay, about key point from this dialogue. First, starting fact or habit and routines. I live close to the office. This is about fact. And then she usually takes the bus. This is about habits. And we often cook together. It is about routines. And then second, using the basic verb. Verb one. I work, we cook, they watch. And then second, addition s or es for the third person singular subject. He, she, it. I text, she works, and that songs. And then the fourth, use of auxiliary verb do and does for the question or negative. Sample, do you work? Does your wife work? She does not work. Okay. Now you can know about key point from the last conversation. Okay. For the next, this is the sample about simple present. Choose the correct simple present tense question sentence for the singular subject, the manager. A, B, C, and D. Which one? B. Yes, correct. Does the manager check the email every hour? Okay, easy guys. Okay, so we can the next presentation. The second, complete the following negative sentence. My neighbor, blah, 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 not blah, 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 partied late at night. Which one? A, B, C, or D? B, yes, correct. My neighbor do not have partied late at night. Okay, the next. Choose the correct from the verb to complete the following nominal sentence. We blah 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 happy to see you here. Which one? A, B, C, or D? B, yes, correct. Why? Because the verb are is to be for the subject we with in the simple present tense. Okay, you good guys? Okay, next. Choose the correct verb from. My cat usually blah 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 sleep on the sofa. Which one? A, B, C, or D? Yes, correct. B, sleeps. Why addition S? Because for the verb, for the third person singular use subject, my cat, the verb must be addition is in the simple present tense. Okay, you understand now? Okay, if you understand, we can go to the next presentation. Complete this negative sentence correctly. They blah 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 no study on weekend. A, B, C, or D. Which one? D. Yes. Okay. They do not study on weekends. Why? Because the structure of negative, the correct, if do not followed by verb one. Okay. The next, choose the correct auxiliary verb from interrogative sentence. Blah 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 blah. Your brother play basketball. A, do, B, is, C, R, D, does. Which one? I do? No. D, does. Yes, that's correct. Does your brother play basketball? Why choose D? Because does is the verb, the correctly for the subject about your brother. It means your brother, he. Okay, for the next, the summary, the simple present tense is very important tense because it focuses on the trust, fact, and habit that occur in the present. The K to mastering, it is remembering when the add the endings s or es to verb and when you use the auxiliary verb do and does. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. And then I'll give you some idea because I also using for Duolingo for teach my English language. Maybe one time, 1 hour, you can grow up your English connection. Okay, thanks from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.